Hi, how's it going? It's Thursday. Love Thursday. Love, love, love it. I'm so excited to be back. Oh, today what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about the secret sauce. Yeah, what is the secret sauce? The secret sauce is that one thing that has worked for me in my business, and sometimes I forget about it, but when I remember and I come back to it, it always works. It's a huge, huge game changer, because the number one thing for us network marketers is to overcome ourselves, right? And that means we have to conquer and learn how to be in control of our mindset. And you're like, yeah, I know. So you've read the book, you've taken the course, you've tried the affirmations, you've journaled, you've done all the things, and you're like, nothing's working. So I'm going to share with you the thing that works for me in hopes that it will work for you as well. Like, give it a try and be open-minded. Okay. Hey everybody, my name is Tammy Meridian. And what do? I work with network marketers, particularly baby boomers, to help them build their network marketing business online, step by step, without the confusion, to save them some time and some money. Right? I'm here every Thursday at 12 p.m. And I love sharing with you the things that I do and what's working for me and what I've learned, and the things that aren't working as well, right? We've just got to support each other. I'm not here to make any money or anything like that. I just want to give to you what I have learned in hopes it will help you level up your network marketing business. So what is that one thing? Well, let me give you a little story here real quickly. I'm a yoga teacher. I've been teaching yoga off and on for years and years and years, and been a practitioner as well. And so, I don't know if you've ever done yoga before, but, you may have. And so you want to do the pose. Like she tells you to, step your right foot forward and rotate your back toes in at a 45 and press into the outside edge of your back heel. And there's all these things, right? There's all these things. You're trying to get it all right. And what's happening is you're going like this, right? You're not letting go. And the key in yoga, if you're trying to achieve something, it would be unity, body, mind, and spirit. And how do you get there? By letting go. Because when you take a nice big inhale and a nice big exhale, you relax, take the tongue off the roof of your mouth, relax your jaw. Then you move into your pose. It's much more enjoyable, and it always turns out a lot better, and it feels better. Well, that is a lesson for life. That's a lesson for life, because we're on this hamster wheel and we're running, and we're trying to get it done, and we're checking off the list, and all the things, especially if you own your own business and you're a network marketer. I don't know about you, but there's been so many times in my career, like I always felt like I was behind the 8 ball. I could never get in front of everything because, I got to do this and I got to do that. And if I don't do this, then the whole thing was going to fall apart, right? I'm sure you can relate. I know you can relate, especially if you're in network marketing or you own your own business or just life in general, right? So I didn't want to live my life like that. I'm like, no, I don't want to live this way. What did I do? For me, it was my spiritual practice. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, is what is your practice, your spiritual practice? And it doesn't matter. This isn't about religion. Not at all. Okay. This is about what you do to connect to a source greater than yourself. And I'm not talking the glass of wine at 5 p.m. Okay. So I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is something that that is bigger than you, that gives you peace, that kind of, that you believe in, right? And it may be, for some people it's God, it's Allah, whatever. Some people it's nature, some people it's animals, it's just, everybody's so different. For me, it's God. All right. I'm just saying that. That's what it is. And when I finally decide to take a breath, take a big old inhale, a big old exhale, and surrender to the powers that be, you can even call it quantum physics, and trust the process and offer myself to that entity, or invite that into my life, better yet, it all works out. And I calm down. And when I'm calm, I can move better. Just like I was explaining to you or shared with you about the yoga pose. And you're like, I don't have time to meditate in the morning. I don't have time to journal in the morning. I don't. Well, just those two words, I don't have, or three, I don't have, automatically puts the brakes on, and you're right, you don't. That's what we call arguing for our limitations. How do I know? Because I've done it a bazillion times. So watch what you say, watch who you say it to, and be cognizant of the words coming out of your mouth. Be cognizant of that, because they're super powerful, because you speak them out into the universe and they come right back at you. It's a fact. And surrender to whatever entity or whatever, I don't know what to say, how to call that, you believe in, and believe that they've got you, he, she, it, or them, and trust the process. And when you let go, you make room for the good things to come in when you let go. But if you're holding on super tight like this, you have no place to go. So I hope that was helpful. Just a little kind of like, little seeds, faith of a mustard seed, little pearls of wisdom. If you found value from this and you know somebody who needs to hear that, please copy the link, the share button, and send it to your team. Send it to your team. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications button, because I'm here every single Thursday, and I will be coming on more just to give you what I have been led to give you, in hopes that it will tug on your heartstrings, make you feel better, and give you a little secret sauce for the day, or maybe for the rest of your life, to keep going and never give up, because you deserve to have everything that you've ever wanted and every dream that's been planted in your heart. You can do it. Talk to you soon. Bye.